In this video, I'm going to show you the best strategy to set up your advertisements on Facebook that can actually convert and get you traffic to your website, get you sales to your product, and also help you get lead and engagement, all right, using our Facebook ad manager and manychat automation. So in my previous video, which is this particular video, I showed you guys how to set up your manychat automation. This is the first video of this particular series, how to actually set up your ad manager, prepare your account, prepare your blog for monetization. And this particular video right here teaches you how you can actually set up your automation on manychat with Facebook Messenger. Okay, and this particular video which you're watching currently is actually going to simply teach you how to actually set up your Facebook, and this is the last video of this particular series. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the video right away. The first you need to do is simply copy your automation link, which I've already showed you how to create. Let's just click on this copy button. So remember, we want organic paid traffic, okay, real human being, not bots. Okay, just come over to your Facebook ad manager, click on this create button. You're gonna see we have awareness, traffic, engagement, lead, app promotion, sales, and a lot more. Okay, and this is the foundation of your success if you want to run a high converting Facebook advertisement. Okay, so on this very session, we have awareness, we have traffic, we have engagement. Okay, so awareness is basically for people that want to get more reach, brand awareness, and video views. All right, so we have the traffic section right here, and this traffic section is all about getting link click. Okay, but I don't recommend you use this traffic section. Okay, for me, I don't use this. Okay, so if you want to get high quality traffic, and because we're using manychat, we want to use something that can actually convert for us, and also that will be cheaper with better result. Okay, so this engagement is where you get likes, get views, get comment, like get more engagement to your post. Okay, and we have lead right here where you can get website and instant form, where you can get messages to your WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, a lot more. Okay, this one right here is for app promotion. Okay, if you have AdMob application, you have game app that you want to promote, you can use Facebook ad to get more traffic and get more installs for sale. People that want to sell products, people that have product that you want to sell, you have e-commerce store, you can use this strategy. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we are running advertisement to promote our blog and also to get more audience to our community. Right, and we're going to simply be utilizing lead. Just click on this lead section, then you click on continue button. Okay, then click on OK. Traffic lead campaign, let's call it traffic. Okay, and for the A/B testing, we're going to simply allow this to be off for now. Okay, until you get your first 100 subscribers on your new manychat account. Okay, because remember, on your manychat you are allowed to get 1,000 subscribers on your account. Okay, for the free version. Okay, so if you have 100, you can simply go ahead and set up A/B testing. All right, so for now we're going to simply leave it the way it is for now. So the next thing you have to do right now is simply scroll up a bit, then make sure you add your ad budget. Okay, so I'm going to be adding 15,000 naira for my daily ad budget. Okay, so I can go for 15, 20, 30 depending on your budget. Okay, so I'm going to simply add 15. We have 15 here. When you add your budget, then click on the next button. They've already selected instant form for us. Remember, we selected lead, but what we're going to do right now is simply click on this button. Then under that button, they say they are recommending instant form because we are using manychat and we have the link, which is this very link which we copied. We have to simply come back here. If we select messenger, if the messengers, we're going to be the one that will reply them. Okay, and the AI bot which we set up will not do any work again. Okay, because we want them to come to our DM, which is our messenger, from the manychat, we need to add the manychat link. Okay, and that's going to simply propel us to selecting this website section. Okay, so we have the website section right here selected. You can see right here it has already changed, and under the website, scroll down a little bit, you're going to see we have location. Don't click on the pencil button to edit it. All right, so we have Nigeria selected right now. Okay, so though we're going to simply be selecting Nigeria. Okay, but if you want to get higher CPM to your advertisements, remember, we are not sending this traffic straight to our website. We are bringing them up on our messenger with the automation tool which we've already set up. Okay, and that's going to simply help us to minimize our ad spend and also make sure that anybody that is clicking on that message button is human being. Okay, and only human being are qualified to click on that particular link. Okay, so if we get people to our DM, then the automation can now give them resources that they have to simply go ahead and check out. Okay, so this strategy is going to simply give you higher traffic and also higher engagement, which will appear like organic traffic. Okay, but remember, If these people are coming from a certain location, your CPM are going to simply be higher, and also the ad spend will be higher as well. Okay, for instance, if you're selecting countries like United States, have Canada, we have United Kingdom, right, Australia, and also other countries, then your CPM can also be higher, and also the ad spend, which is cost per click, will be higher as well. Okay, but there are countries that will give you higher CPM with minimal cost per click. Okay, and those countries are Philippines, India, South Africa, and you can select your own country. Okay, so if you're watching this video from Ghana, you can select your Ghana as well. If you're watching this video from Nigeria, you can also add Nigeria as your targeted audience. All right, okay, so what we're going to do right now is simply come back to this very section, and we're going to simply search. Remember, Nigeria is here already, and we're going to simply search India. Remember, we're focusing on English speaking countries. All right, Indians speak English as well, and also they speak Hindi, and also we have South Africa, they speak English as well. All right, so we have to simply add South Africa first. All right, so we have South Africa here because we want higher traffic and also higher CPM with minimal ad spend. Okay, and we have Philippines. Okay, and also we have another country. We can go for India as well, or you can target if you're in Nigeria, you want to target Ghanaians, you can also target them. All right, so for me, I'm going to simply select these 3 countries. So under this section, you can see we have minimal age. Make sure you go ahead and edit it. We don't want 18, 20. Okay, after everything, click on the save audience. Then you can add the audience name. Let's say manychat, so that I can differentiate it from my other advertisement. Okay, you can see the countries here. You can see the minimum age. You can see the age from this to 65 plus. Okay, then click on save. All right, so the audience has been saved. For the placement, leave it as advantage. Okay, where Facebook is going to simply optimize it for you. Okay, the reason why we're going to simply include this because we're going to simply be using video as our advertisement creative. Okay, don't use normal picture or maybe image. Don't create any image for the ad. Okay, just use video. All right, you can use video for your advertisement so that the video can actually convey more message and also trigger people to click. You know, some persons might not be able to read none of that, but if they can actually hear and see the person's talking, it will help them to click. All right, so remember, I showed you guys where you can actually go ahead and get your professional ad creative videos. Go over to our store right here, which is seller.com/m/padded-vibes, where you can simply see, scroll a little bit, and you're going to see high CPM video ad creative. Okay, so this video ad creative is going to simply give you videos that you can actually use to run your own advertisement. Okay, so every single day we are uploading videos on this particular pack. All right, on this pack is not only 20 videos, we have a lot of videos packed here. Okay, on several niches, so you can simply use any of the videos right here and run your advertisement. Okay, then scroll down a little bit. If you're done with all of these things, then click on this. Make sure that your campaign score is okay. You can see right here our campaign score is okay. Then click on the next button. So remember, in our previous video I showed you the page we connected. This John Francis right here is not what we use. We're going to simply click on this personal button, and I'm going to simply select this page. This is Mr. John Francis. That is the account you see right here. You can see right here, that is the manychat account we see. Okay, so come back here, go ahead and click on it. So we have Mr. John Francis selected. So if you see all of these red buttons, click on the view terms, accept it. Okay, I've already accepted that one. So if you are getting your ad creative from this very source right here, so you need to do right now is simply purchase yours. Once you purchase yours, it's going to simply take you to this very page where you're going to simply download lots of ad creative right here. This is an ad creative. These are ad creative. These are the ones I've already downloaded and also purchased from that particular website. Okay, all right, so if I click on this, I can simply go ahead and use this. All right, so if I go back to this very section right here, then select single image or single video. So we're going to simply select single video. All right, so that is what we want. And you scroll down a little bit. Then for the website destination, remember this is the website they added here. We don't want that. Go ahead and select that and remove it. And the website destination we want to select now is the manychat. Okay, this is the manychat. Then come back here, add the manychat link here. Okay, that is the link. Enter the display link to show on your ad. That is also the manychat. Okay, gonna see we have the browser done right here. Okay, just select none for now. Okay, then scroll down to this very section that says art creative, then select video. So click on this media right here, click on this upload, but go to where you saved it. So for me, I saved it as a document. Then scroll down. I'm going to simply use this one right here because it's talk about the learning digital skills. Okay, then open it, then allow it to load. It is uploading. So guys, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Okay, so the video is done uploading. All right, then click on this next button. Just click on this skip and continue. You can see the video right here. Okay, so click on the next button. You're going to simply add the primary text right here. Okay, then copy the primary text. Remember, I already forwarded this PDF. If you've not gotten this PDF, make sure you notify me on the comment section so I can actually go ahead and send it out to your WhatsApp DM. All right, so come back here, paste the primary text here. Make sure you go through your text, okay, and headings and description. Okay, then click on the next button, then click on done. You can see what we have here now. You can see it. This is perfect. Yeah, everything is cool and set. You can see the video right here. You can get them for yourself from here. Okay, so scroll down a little bit. This URL you added here, which is your messenger automation bot, you have to make sure you leave it the way it is. Okay? Then you hit on the publish button. After checking everything, make sure you hit on the publish button. All right, so you can show here the ad has been published. Okay, so our ad is ready to go live right now. Okay, so Facebook is going to simply review the advertisement. With this strategy, you're going to simply start getting traffic to your website, getting sales, and also getting lead. Okay, if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon. All right, and if you want me to send you this particular PDF right here for free, notify me on the comment section. Then I'm going to simply pick you and send it to you for free. All right, see you in the next video.